Hi everyone, Steph here from Handbagholic. Now, I have just got hold of the Louis Vuitton LockMe Mini Backpack and I am absolutely in love. So I thought I would do a quick review video for you today, and I've styled the bag with numerous different outfits to give you some inspiration on if you are looking for a mini Louis Vuitton backpack. Welcome back to all my beautiful subscribers. If you are new to this channel and love designer bags and luxury in general, then I've got a feeling you are going to love it here. So join the family, hit the subscribe button and the bell down below. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to be revealing whether or not I think the Louis Vuitton LockMe backpack is a good investment or not. Now, the Louis Vuitton LockMe range is one of my most favourite ranges from Louis Vuitton. I had a Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack originally, and I did really like that, but the zipper was a bit of a nightmare because I had the older version of the bag. Anyway, I decided to sell the Palm Springs Mini, and ever since then I have had a mini designer bag hole in my life. Now, the LockMe Mini retails at around £2,000 here in the UK, and as you can see, this is a black and gold version. You can no longer purchase the black and gold version, so I did have to buy this pre-loved, but you can still get the black and silver, and I think they do bring them out in different colorways for different seasons, so it's worth keeping an eye on. This is an alternative to the Palm Springs Mini, and I definitely think a very valid alternative, but it does retail at around £500 more, but the Palm Springs Mini is made from the coated canvas, whereas this is actually made from leather. So let me just show you close up what this bag looks like. This is the front. Now, there is some like hairline scratches on the logo. I'm not sure if you can see them on camera, but there are like 2 scratches. That really upsets me. I'm going to try and find some like handbag hardware protectors for that. Like, they're just clear bits of plastic which you stick to the front and then it stops the hardware scratching. So I need to find some of those. The side of the bag, it's not very deep, you know, it is a mini size. At the back of the bag, you can take the straps off. I think that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to turn this into a crossbody bag. But you also get this handle at the top, so you can like wear it on your arm if you want to. So multiple ways that you can carry this bag. And I also love they've put these hoops on top there so that you can adjust these straps. I'm not going to do it right now because it's going to take too long. And you can hook that onto there so that you can carry the bag as a crossbody bag. So I feel like they've kind of thought of everything when it comes to this mini backpack. Now, with this being a mini size, it does look cute, but is it practical? What fits inside this bag? Let's take a quick look now. So it's really easy to open. You can pull this drawstring as well, which kind of changes the shape of the bag, which is nice. I just have this stuffed at the moment, but it's very simple inside of the bag there. You've got a pocket along the back. The first test is, can you fit a full-sized purse in this bag? This is a full-size Capucine's wallet, and it definitely won't go in sideways. It kind of does fit in there. Will it close? It doesn't really close, so I would say, unless you really want to kind of force it, which I don't, this bag is not really suitable for a full-size purse. But I feel like if you're the kind of person that carries a mini bag, you probably aren't going to be carrying like a full-size purse around with you. Now for a much more practical coin purse. This is just a monogram, the zippy coin purse. And oh, I feel like these were made for each other. That just fits inside. There's still plenty of room inside there. So here are my set of car keys and house keys. And again, there's still quite a lot of room inside there. This is a full-size bottle of water. Obviously this is not going to fit. I'm just showing you as an example in case you have a bottle, you can see how big the bag is. But if you had like a half-size bottle of water, I definitely think that could fit in there. But this is just perfect. You can see there's still a lot of room in there. I can get my keys, my purse, my mask in there. You could get like a small hand sanitizer in there easily. And then a couple more like essentials, you know, like makeup bits. Now for the part of this video that I know you guys love the most, I have tried this bag on with numerous different outfits. So let's take a look, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know which look you like the most with this adorable backpack.
Shaking out pictures of us. I never realized what I have lost. Now I know it, and it is so insane how I treated this like a game. You were my help when no one else were there to share affection. So let's try again. I'll go anywhere. Just send me your location to bring back when we were more than happy. Jokes and laughing, trust and loving. Yeah, we were storm and fire, both on fire, more than happy. Yeah. I think we can rescue this. Just put the love first and taking the risk. 'Cause you're what I need and I'm what you need. Get my heart to feel you. Get my heart to feel.
Now, I promised at the start of this video that I would reveal whether or not I think this is a good investment or not, and I'm sure you can probably already tell by the way that this has been filmed and my enthusiasm for this bag. I absolutely love it. Do you know what? I actually feel like I don't need the Palm Springs mini backpack anymore. I like how this is fun because it's quite a small, cute size, but it also looks quite sophisticated and classy because it's made from leather, and then it's obviously got the gold detail on there and the big LV logo. But the best thing about this bag is the Palm Springs Mini kind of opens forward, but this bag is just, it's awesome because when you open the top, you basically get access to the whole bag. It just makes it so much easier to get things out of. The only other point to note is because this is made from all leather and the leather is actually quite soft, I can see this potentially scratching and kind of having like blemishes in it. So I do think that is just going to have to be expected with this type of bag. And also to keep cleansing it and conditioning it, making sure as well it's not stored away in a dust bag and a box because the leather is going to need to breathe. So this is probably going to be slightly more high maintenance than something like the Palm Springs Mini Backpack. Thank you so much for joining me today with this LockMe Mini Backpack review. Let me know in the comment box down below, would you pick this one or the Palm Springs Mini Backpack? Because I'd love to get your thoughts. Now, make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I will link the video here for you and down below as well. I'm going to be taking you through my entire Louis Vuitton bag collection. So make sure you don't go anywhere and watch that video coming up next.